welcome everyone. We have tried to understand what are statistical and quantitative techniques with simple examples in the last videos. Today we will discuss what is the role of statistical and quantitative in data analysis and how these are applied in a sequence to solve real-world problems. By the end of this lecture, you'll have a clear understanding of how these methods work together in data analytics. This is the first step in any data analytics process, which is called data collection. This involves gathering raw data from various sources such as databases, surveys, sensors, or any other data-generating systems. Once collected, the data often contains errors, missing values, or inconsistencies. Data cleaning is the process of correcting these issues to ensure the data is accurate and ready for analysis. Imagine you are in charge of a big toy store and you want to know which toys are the most popular so you can order more of them. To figure this out, you need to collect information from your friends and other kids about their favorite toys. Example, you go around and ask 10 of your friends, "What's your favorite toy?" and write down their answers on a piece of paper. This is called data collection. You are gathering information that will help you make a decision. Data cleaning. Now, when you look at your list, you might notice some problems. Maybe some of your friends gave silly answers, like "I love broccoli" instead of naming a toy, or you accidentally wrote the same friend's answer twice. To make sure your information is accurate, you need to fix these mistakes. This is called data cleaning. Example, remove silly answers, cross out "I love broccoli" because it's not a toy, fix mistakes. If you wrote Lego twice for the same friend, erase one of them, fill in missing information. If one friend didn't answer, you can ask them again to make sure you have everyone's favorite toy listed. Why it's important? Once your list is cleaned up and only has the correct information about your friends' favorite toys, you can see which toys are the most popular. This helps you decide which toys to order more of for your toy store. So, data collection is like asking your friends about their favorite toys, and data cleaning is making sure all the answers you wrote down are correct and make sense. This way, you can use the information to make good decisions.